Resistance band pull aparts strengthen the rear delts and muscles in the upper back, including the rhomboids and traps. They also are performed to improve posture and reinforce scapular retraction for healthier shoulders. Here's how to do it correctly. While standing with feet hip width apart, grab the ends of a light to medium resistance band with both hands using an overhand grip. With your chest up, core braced, and a soft bend in the elbows, hold the band straight out in front of your shoulders at close to shoulder width distance, ensuring there is some tension in the band. Sweep your hands out to the sides to pull the band apart while keeping your arms straight. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together as you bring your hands just past your torso. Pause for a brief moment at the end range to hold the squeeze. Under control, slowly return to the start with your hands in front of your shoulders while keeping tension in the band. Remember to keep your neck relaxed, don't shrug, and never fully lock the elbows. Repeat for reps. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.